Christmas cake. For this I'm using 350 grams of self-rising flour, 1 teaspoon of mixed spice, 110 grams of ground almonds, 4 eggs, 150 milliliters of milk, and 225 grams of unsalted butter, 225 grams of soft brown sugar, 225 grams of currants, 225 grams of sultanas, 225 grams of raisins, 110 grams of glacé cherries, quartered, and 110 grams of mixed peel, chopped. Sift together the flour, the spice, and the ground almonds. Mix it together. Beat the eggs and milk. Cream the butter and the sugar. Stir in the egg mix and the flour mix. Slowly, a little at a time. Rest of the flour. And the last of the milk. Frothy man. A nice smooth mixture. Finally mixing over all the fruit. Give it a very good mix. Put the mixture into a greased and lined 8-inch baking tin. Bake for 3.5 to 4 hours at gas mark 2, 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 130 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. The Christmas cake is baked and all ready for royal icing. While shepherds washed their socks by night, all seated round the tub, a bar of sunlight soap came down and they began to scrub.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.